Welcome to Sony Kando 2025 here in Spain. Over the next few days, creators from across the UK are coming together to inspire, learn, share and create.
Today I'm shooting on the RX1R, which I have been excited to get my hands on for ages. We are here in Calvert Studios open air studio. Everyone has just arrived and we're about to spend about an hour learning from the very best. We first have like a workshop from Terry and he's going to show us how to capture the Cupra car behind us.
Okay, so I'm going to do a little shoot with this car and we're just going to do a little bit of a juxtaposition between the car and the model and go through a few setups and explain some of the lighting and why we're doing things the way they are.
Currently in the natural light studio, which is one big white softbox. It's very harsh light, and actually we're kind of running a bit of a workshop for all the Sony ambassadors and creators to talk about commercial shooting and overriding natural light with flash.
Next up, we're shooting this incredible car, much more run and gun, social media style. You can see there's a great model there, and we have a bunch of the Sony creators all shooting right there.
The beauty of every single Kando trip is just getting together with such incredible creatives, and I think this year especially stood out because the Sony team put together this awesome little kind of mix of workshops from all of the individuals, and everyone has very unique talents here at Kando, and everyone's different perspectives really add to the experience and help us learn things that we wouldn't usually know.
Everything from the location, the talent, the photographers like Tom, Ron, just an incredible place.
It's day 2 of Sony Kando 2025, and today we slowed down the pace a little bit. We spent more time together in one-on-one situations and shared some valuable knowledge, and we also tested out some more Sony gear in a very relaxed setting.
So I usually shoot on the Sony a7 IV and the ZV-E1, but today I'm just using the a7 IV with the 28-70 f2, and I'm really loving it because even though it looks quite big, it's really light, and the f2 is just, it feels like I'm shooting on a prime, and even the photos feel very prime-like.
To me, Sony Kando is all about spending time with like-minded people and learning from each other in beautiful places that Sony has access to and enables us to experience firsthand with everyone else.
It's just awesome to be able to learn from this incredible pool of talent. Also, playing table tennis is pretty cool too.
Do you know, my favorite part about Sony Kando is the amazing talent that the Sony team have.
Sony Kando is this magical place where you can learn new things with like-minded people, and you don't have to worry about whether you're messing up or not. It's the safest place and it's an absolute dream.